challenges.
Let's just let Lana speak. Okay, so the team is Baggy. Guys, this is gonna be so funny because I just saw a girl, like she said, team is Baggy, a trash bag. What? It's the team is comfy, oversized clothes. There's no space. Okay, now we have space for our skin tone. Jumpy jump. Now let's go for the face. I kind of like this one because it's red and it has a dot. No, I don't like. Let's just go with no. I want something else face. Like next time, I'm gonna do like free play mode. Do you want to watch it? I'm just gonna play at nighttime and my mom is gonna doing it later. Okay, we have this black here. Okay, now black here. We are done with our black hair. Now what should we put in the back? I kinda will put like this one. So it has two parts, so let's just put two parts. Okay. Next, what should we do? Guys, there's only a little time left. We don't have that time left. We need a cushion. Actually, I'm gonna erase it later. Now we need pink shirt. And next, no. Here, and now press. This one. Let's just remove the flower. Yep. Let's just do it purple. And here is my look. I'm done. I don't like the cushion that much. So let's just remove the cushion. It's so good finally. Now we only have just a little time left. So I am deciding to get a phone so we can. Okay guys, it's almost time, so let's shine for Lana. I hope I don't lose. I think I'm gonna lose, but I don't wanna fall down. Yesterday I was the second. Wait. The team was doctor. Never mind, I'll just leave it. Yeah, last night the team was doctor. So I just dressed up as I could, but I didn't win. I was so sad. Today I'm not removing my dress, yeah. I think so. I'm gonna remove. Oh my gosh, the team started. Okay, the team is over. Okay. Baggy. Oh, you're gonna see. It's so funny, guys. It's so funny. She's losing. I know. She lost it. It says comfy, like she's wearing boys' pants. Crystal, nice. I kind of like it. The theme is baggy. And if it's trash bag, look, it's a trash bag. A trash bag. Let me show you something. I just pressed here. Baggy trash bag. See, I told you guys. Oh, this is kind of nice. Where the hell is this? Never mind. Okay, not a trash bag. Okay. So guys, now is my turn. Okay, never mind. Okay, not a trash bag. I'm done. Okay, last is her. I hope Lana shows up. Okay, after this, Lana is showing up now. Just let Lana speak.
Now that you've all strutted down the catwalk, it's time to vote for your 3 favorite outfits. Remember, contestants' outfits who are voted the least will be at risk for elimination. The votes are in. Congratulations! Your outfits dared to impress. You live to see another round. Unfortunately, someone will be going home today. Your outfits didn't wow us. You're on the chopping block. Since contestants already voted, I'll be deciding on who gets eliminated. The player we are choosing to eliminate is... Pack your bags and say your goodbyes. The round theme is... If anyone would like to use an immunity idol, now is the time. The votes are in. Congratulations! Your outfits dared to impress. You live to see another round. Unfortunately, someone will be going home today. Your outfits didn't wow us. You're on the chopping block. Since contestants already voted, I'll be deciding on who gets eliminated. The player we are choosing to eliminate is... Pack your bags and say your goodbyes.